Welcome to the exciting realm of small wooden crafts, where creativity meets functionality. In an age where individuality and sustainability are paramount, the demand for unique, handcrafted wooden items is on the rise. This niche offers artisans a chance to explore their creativity while providing consumers with beautiful, functional pieces that enhance their living and working spaces. Whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting, the opportunities in this field are abundant. From home decor to compact furniture for urban living, small wooden items can transform any environment into a warm, inviting space that reflects personal style and values. As you embark on this journey, you'll discover the rich potential of woodworking not just as a craft, but as a means to connect with your community and customers. Each piece you create tells a story, showcasing your craftsmanship and passion for sustainability. The market for small wooden crafts extends beyond individual consumers to include businesses like restaurants, hotels, and event spaces, all seeking to enhance their ambience with unique, eco-friendly furnishings. By tapping into this diverse market, you can build a thriving enterprise that not only showcases your skills, but also aligns with a growing consumer demand for sustainable, locally sourced products. Embrace the artistry of woodworking and explore how your creations can make a lasting impact. If you're enjoying this journey into the world of small wooden crafts, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. By hitting the like button, you help us spread the word about the beauty and creativity of woodworking. Sharing this video with friends and fellow craft enthusiasts not only supports our community, but also encourages more people to explore this rewarding craft. Make sure to stay tuned until the end, as we have some exciting tips and insights that you won't want to miss. Your engagement means the world to us, and we're thrilled to have you along for the ride as we delve deeper into the art of woodworking together. Creating small and functional wooden furniture and decor items is a dynamic venture that caters to diverse markets, including homes, restaurants, hotels, and meeting spaces. In a world increasingly drawn to unique, handcrafted pieces, the demand for such items continues to rise. This trend reflects a growing consumer desire for individuality and sustainability, making it an opportune moment for artisans to showcase their skills and creativity through small wooden crafts. The appeal of small wooden furniture lies in its versatility, particularly in urban environments where space is often at a premium. Many individuals live in compact living spaces, making functionality a priority. Designing pieces that maximize utility, such as multifunctional tables or compact storage solutions, can attract those seeking both style and practicality. These designs not only save space, but also bring character and warmth to any environment, transforming a simple room into a personalized haven. In the realm of home decor, small wooden crafts can significantly enhance the aesthetic appeal of a space. Items such as decorative shelves, handcrafted picture frames, and unique wall art provide opportunities for creative expression. These pieces can add a touch of rustic charm or modern elegance, depending on the design. As consumers increasingly prioritize natural materials, crafting decor items that highlight the beauty of wood can resonate deeply with buyers who value sustainability. Commercial spaces, such as restaurants and hotels, require a different approach, but still benefit greatly from small wooden furniture. Creating an inviting atmosphere is essential in these settings, and wooden elements can significantly contribute to the overall experience. Thoughtfully designed pieces, like stylish bar stools or elegant side tables, can enhance the dining experience and create a memorable environment for guests. Collaborating with local businesses can also foster a mutually beneficial relationship, ensuring a steady demand for your creations. Meeting halls and conference rooms present another unique market for small wooden crafts. These spaces typically prioritize functionality and professionalism, and items such as portable podiums, compact seating arrangements, and minimalist decor can elevate the atmosphere. As organizations increasingly focus on sustainability, offering eco-friendly wooden furniture can attract clients who are mindful of their environmental impact. This approach not only appeals to their values, but also positions your brand as a leader in sustainable design. Marketing your wooden crafts effectively is crucial for success in today's competitive landscape. Building a strong online presence through social media platforms and e-commerce sites can significantly expand your reach. Engaging visuals and compelling storytelling can draw potential customers in, creating a connection that encourages them to explore your offerings. Highlighting the craftsmanship and sustainability of your products will resonate with buyers seeking quality and ethical merchandise. Understanding your target audience is vital when developing your product range. Different customer segments, such as homeowners, business owners, and event planners, have distinct needs and preferences. Tailoring your offerings to address these specific requirements can lead to successful sales. Conducting market research and gathering feedback from your customers can help you refine your designs and ensure that you meet their expectations. As you begin crafting your small wooden items, consider starting with a limited product line. This approach allows you to test the market and gather valuable feedback before expanding your offerings. Engaging with your audience through surveys or social media polls can provide insights into what they value most in wooden furniture and decor. This iterative process can guide your design decisions and help you create products that genuinely resonate with your customers. Sustainability is a key factor that can set your wooden crafts apart in the marketplace. Many consumers today are conscious of their ecological footprint and prefer to support brands that prioritize environmentally friendly practices. By sourcing sustainable materials and employing eco-friendly production methods, you can appeal to this growing demographic. Transparency about your sourcing and production processes can build trust and loyalty among your customers. In summary, focusing on small and functional wooden furniture and decor items offers a wealth of opportunities for quick sales. By aligning your craftsmanship with market demands, whether for homes, restaurants, hotels, or meeting spaces, you can create a thriving business. The emphasis on sustainability and quality will not only attract customers, but also foster long-term relationships built on trust and satisfaction. As you navigate this rewarding journey, remain adaptable, open to feedback, and committed to your craft, ensuring a successful and fulfilling venture in woodworking. As the market evolves, staying informed about trends and customer preferences will allow you to innovate and remain competitive in this vibrant field. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you found inspiration and valuable insights into the world of small wooden crafts. If you enjoyed what you saw, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Your likes and shares help us reach a wider audience and spread the love for woodworking. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you even more exciting projects and tips in the future. Stay tuned for more, and remember, every bit of engagement helps our community grow. Thank you for being a part of it.